there, car enthusiasts and savvy shoppers. Welcome to Car Dealers Secrets, the place where we dive deep into the world of wheels, deals, and everything in between. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic that's driving both dealers and the public wild: car auctions. From Copart to IAA, we're breaking it all down for you. So buckle up because this ride is about to get exciting. First, let's talk about what makes these car auctions so special. Copart and IAA, two of the biggest names in the game, specialize in connecting buyers and sellers from all walks of life. Whether you're a dealership looking for inventory or a car enthusiast hunting for your dream ride, these platforms have something for everyone. But how does it all work? And more importantly, how can you come out on top? Let's break it down. Alright, here's the lowdown. Car auctions like Copart and IAA operate as online and in-person marketplaces. Sellers, including insurance companies, dealerships, and private individuals, list vehicles ranging from slightly used to salvaged cars. Buyers bid against each other, and the highest bidder drives, or tows, home their prize. Simple, right? Well, there's more to it than meets the eye. The key is understanding the types of vehicles you'll encounter. A clean title car might be perfect for the public buyer looking for a steal, while a salvage title car could be a goldmine for a dealer skilled in repairs. Knowing what to look for and how to interpret the vehicle's condition is crucial. Now, why should dealers and the public care about these auctions? Let's start with dealers. Auctions offer an unbeatable way to source inventory. Need a batch of affordable vehicles for your lot? Copart and IAA have you covered with bulk purchasing options and diverse inventory. Plus, the competitive bidding process often means you're paying wholesale prices. Cha-ching. For the public, it's all about opportunity. Imagine finding a car worth thousands for a fraction of its retail value. Sure, you might need to do some repairs, but for DIYers or anyone who loves a project, this can be an absolute game changer. So, how do you make the most of car auctions? Here are 3 golden rules. Do your homework. Research the car's history using tools like Carfax or AutoCheck. Knowing what you're bidding on can save you thousands. Set a budget. It's easy to get carried away in a bidding war. Stick to your budget to ensure you're getting a good deal. Inspect, inspect, inspect. Many auction platforms offer preview days. Take advantage of these to assess the vehicle's condition before bidding. With the rise of online platforms, car auctions are more accessible than ever. Mobile apps, virtual bidding, and detailed vehicle reports make it easy to participate from anywhere. But remember, the competition is growing too, so staying sharp is more important than ever. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to car auctions. Whether you're a dealer looking to stock up or a car lover chasing your dream ride, auctions like Copart and IAA offer endless possibilities. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and let us know in the comments if you've had any auction experiences or tips to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insider tips on all things cars. See you in the next video.